What's up guys, Earl here of Hugo Tech, and as one of the most rising tech brands out there in the market right now, Realme has pumped out tons of new products, which might confuse some of you, but these iterations often bring improvements that will surely benefit consumers in the long run. They released a couple of new smartwatches recently, the Realme Watch 2 and the Realme Watch 2 Pro. We got our hands on the Pro version, so without any further ado, let's go ahead and check it out. First things first, let's see what's inside the box. Lifting up the lid, the first thing you will see is the watch itself, then underneath that is a USB Type-A magnetic charger, the manual, and that's pretty much it. When it comes to the design, the Realme Watch 2 Pro retains the square design with nice curved edges. It comes in this space gray color, and the glossy finish of this device makes it look more premium. We get a metallic frame going on the sides and a single button with a yellow accent on the right that works as the power trigger and menu button. Then there's also this removable 22mm silicone strap with a subtle Dare to Leap text. The Pro version is larger than the Realme Watch 2 Pro, and it honestly looks more fit on the wrist. It's lightweight and we find it comfortable to wear. Noticeably, the bezels are quite thick, especially the bottom part. We just hope that Realme maximizes the screen size for a better experience next time. Thankfully, it has an IP68 rating, so you won't have to worry about wearing it while taking a shower or when swimming. More on the display, the Realme Watch 2 Pro sports a 1.75 inches LCD touchscreen panel with a resolution of 320 by 385 pixels and a 30Hz refresh rate. So far, the quality of the screen has good contrast and saturation levels. The screen has a 600 nit brightness, which makes it clearly visible outdoors. Like the non-Pro version, this isn't an always-on display, and the watch can take some time to respond to a race-to-wake gesture if you're really trying to nitpick with this watch, but the response time is good enough for casual browsing and checking your notifications. For an extra touch-up, along with its 100+ watch faces, Realme has teamed up with a South Korean artist Graflex for exclusive watch faces, and it's also worth noting that you can also use your own photo if you just want to. So the Realme Watch 2 Pro has a comprehensive set of fitness and wellness related features. There are 15 different workout modes as of now, but it will be available up to 90 different fitness activities in the future updates. Users can check their daily or weekly workout logs directly on the watch to keep on track. Similar to the non-Pro version, there's also a real-time heart rate monitor, blood oxygen monitor, sleep cycle tracking, drink water reminder, breathe and move around notification that users can maximize using. It also comes with a smart feature such as music playback control. You can pair it with your smartphone and supports the display of calls, SMS, and third-party app messages including Telegram, Facebook, and Instagram. Moving on to the battery, the Realme Watch 2 Pro packs a 390 mAh battery that can go for 14 days as advertised by Realme. The Realme Watch 2 Pro is priced at 4,490 pesos and will be available at Realme authorized stores and Realme's official Lazada and Shopee store. You can check out the links in the description box. So what do you guys think about the Realme Watch 2 Pro? Will you give it a try? Let us know in the comment section below, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit that bell icon so to miss any future uploads, and be sure to visit hugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. This has been Rel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.